Friends from the media, first of all, I convey my heartiest congratulations on the occasion of 73rd Republic Day, which will be celebrated on 26th of January. Republic Day is a very important festival which we celebrate. As we all know, on this day we became a republic and adopted the Constitution of India. During this period, almost every time there is a stress on the security situation along the border. But we are here to meet all those challenges and preempt the nefarious designs of anti-national elements which try to put spokes in our celebrations. There is input that ANEs are likely to create troubles, but we are very, very alert on and along the border, including LC. We have heightened our vigil on the border extensively. We had planned these activities which we are conducting on the border. Maximum number of troops and officers, they are present on the border. We had declared 2 weeks heightened vigil on the border. We are extensively carrying out operations, anti-tunneling exercises, anti-drone exercises, and I am very sure and confident that the ANEs and the militants will not succeed in whatever plans they have made. Our all kind of resources, that is human resource and technical resource, they are in place, and we are confident that we will be able to meet the challenges very effectively. I can assure the media and our population residing along the borders or in the hinterland that they have nothing to fear. We are very, very alert on the border, and we will do everything what it takes to ensure the safety and security of our people. So I think once again, thank you and congratulate all of you for coming here and supporting the BSF in the national cause. Thank you very much.